data used was adapted online and was modified to better suit the goals of the members. The dashboard now contains a 3-year-long information and may be described as simple and cool to denote formal business air when looking at the interface. This way, the information presented becomes the main star that attracts the full attention of the user. To create the dashboard, the process was to adapt a dataset, then to use pivot charts and pivot tables for the key areas that need to be highlighted. Then, we collated all the charts into a single sheet and integrated a decision support system to check its overall functionality. Now, let us see how the dashboard would include a decision support system for better understanding of the data. Let us first go to sales and sales map according to province. Provinces earning below the 23 million peso target will have to intensify market strategies. As we click the evaluate on our sales map, we could see that Isabela and Nueva Vizcaya has to intensify marketing strategies for they fall below the target quota, which means they also failed to meet the target sales. For the company sales by employee, it presents the employee of the year as the sales contributed, the corresponding rewards, and the team that needs more training. Next is the inventory control of the company. It notifies the user when inventory levels go below the reorder point by the end of the year, and by how much units have to be purchased. When the user would click Evaluate on the dashboard, it will indicate a warning notification stating that Product 5 is already low on inventory as of year end, and that 212 units of this product must be purchased. Next is customer acquisition. It determines how most customers become aware of the product and recommends points for improvement to further enhance such. We have organic, returning, and ad. As the user clicks implication, the dashboard would show that the top mode of acquisition is through ads and that the company should invest more on this mode of acquisition. Next part of the dashboard is deliveries. We compared delayed versus on-time deliveries to notify the user to contact the carrier whenever the rate of the deliveries go below the target on-time deliveries at preferably 70%. However, if the deliveries go below 50%, then the company should decide to replace or find a more reliable courier service. For the percentage of sales returns, it will notify the user if the actual rate exceeds the tolerance threshold of 8%. It will also indicate what decision would the company make in order to reduce the number of returns of the customers. Accordingly, the user may cross-examine the customer satisfaction rating and the customer acquisition, since both actions require research about customers. Lastly, for customer satisfaction, whenever customer ratings of very low exceed the 10% tolerance threshold and the combined low ratings for such product total to 30%, the system prompts for an action. In here, the dashboard would indicate the products that are more likely to undergo improvement and re-engineering. Several downsides during the creation process includes difficulty in choosing the relevant information and the decisions to be derived therein. First-timers' dilemmas such as getting to know new functions and also making progress only to know that we misunderstood it. As an operating dashboard, this project helps decision makers deliberate on the right course of action conveniently, for it eliminates the need to go through tons of paperwork to get an overview on the business. In addition, it enables the efficient tracking of performance on different aspects of the business, more especially because it helps business achieve their daily goals and plans in a timely manner, which in turn saves valuable resources.